Hello and welcome to Venom Motorsports. Today I got the Venom X-Pect 200. This is a fuel-injected dual sport motorcycle. It's good for on-road and off-road. It's fully street legal. You got the signal lights, back lights, tail lights, high beams, low beams. Got room for 2 passengers. It's for the driver and this is for the passenger. Large seat for 2 riders. This is the shiny green color that we got. You have a backup Kickstarter as well. Beautiful front headlight. And a beautiful dash. Let's turn it on. You can also change the color on the dash.